Welcome back to Cape York. You're watching the Unlimited Expedition. This week on the Unlimited Expedition, we're in Cape York, the Promised Land. Using our beautiful beachside camp at Punsan Point as a base, we head east to Somerset Point and check out the majestic east coast of Cape York. We then head south to the Jackie airstrip and discover its rich World War II history. From Jackie, we head further south to the Jardine River National Park and find a beautiful camp spot at the remote Ussher Point on the east coast of Cape York. Today we're headed to Somerset Point, which is on the east coast of the tip. There's some ruins to check out, there's some really nice beaches, and of course there's some great forward driving. Let's do it! Well, it's been really nice just relaxing here for a few days. Really loved it, beautiful spot. Anyway, it's time to move on. Today we're going to move south. Obviously can't go much further north, but we're going to go down to Bamaga and check out a few of the sites. So they've got a museum down there, they've got some World War II crash sites, some aircraft crash sites, and then we're going to move down to the Jardine River National Park and stay a couple of nights at Ussher Point, which is on the east coast, and we've heard really good things about that place, so we'll see you there. Well, I've been searching around for these aircraft wrecks for about an hour. We've found 3 of 4, but we think the third one we found. We've certainly found some ruins, but it wasn't like a complete wreckage. So the 4th one, God knows where it is. Anyway, we're going to head off to Ussher Point now. Sophie reckons we're good for Paris-Dakar on that one. That sand was super soft, so I had to drop the tyres to about 12 psi front and back, and then really give it the juice to get up that hill. Bloody windy here, I'll give you the tip. Ussher Point, we made it. It's a beautiful spot. The camping grounds are so exposed, so I don't know how long we'll stay here. But it was a hard drive in, it was about 70 k's, pretty slow going, second gear the whole way. Punishing birds with the corrugations all the way in. Anyway, time for a beer. Well guys, as beautiful as this place is, it's just too windy for us. I don't think last night either of us got any sleep, just the wind slapping on the tent. We decided we're going to move on today. We're going to go down to Lockhart River and we're going to find a spot down there for a couple of days. If you don't like corrugations, don't come to Cape York.